Hello students, today I am going to start new chapter 8 and chapter name is shapes. Okay, before starting shapes, we will learn some terms about this chapter. So first term is point. What is point? Point is exact location on a plane surface. That means this space consider is a plane and we have to consider a point on it. So like I am putting a dot here, so this is exact location of this plane surface. This is called point. This is lengthless, breadthless, heightless. It has no dimension. Okay, point has no dimension, no length, no breadth, and it is denoted by a dot. Next term is line. What is line? It is a straight path on a plane. Straight path on a plane which extends endlessly in both directions and has no end points. Okay, like we are seeing here, it extends endlessly. This is arrow show that we can also increase this line in this side, and we can also extend it in this direction. So line can be extends in both direction and has no end points. There is no any end points. Okay, for example, we can also consider a railway track, okay, that extends in both directions. So we can say that is also a line. Now next term is line segment. It is also a line but different type of line. Line segment, it is a part of a line, okay, that has a fixed length and has two fixed end points. In line I was saying that there is no any end points, but in line segment has two end points. Okay, like here and here. It is not extending in both direction, even it is not extending in one direction. So the fixed distance between 2 points can consider line segment. Like an scale, okay, for measurement we use that can be a line segment because their measurement is fixed. Next is ray. It is also a part of line that extends endlessly in one direction and has one fixed point. Okay, that means here it is extending, but at M it is fixed. So it has one starting point and one end point. Okay, this is end point. Here it is ending and this is extending point. So this is called ray. Like rays coming from the sun can be considered ray because they are starting from sun and are coming about to earth. So we can say sun ray is example of ray. Now about figures after the lines. Firstly, two-dimensional figures. The figures those have only length and breadth but no thickness is called two-dimensional figure. Okay, like those all are two-dimensional figures. Those have only length and breadth, no thickness. Circle, rectangle, oval, square, triangle, all are the two-dimensional figure because those have only length and width that has no height or thickness. So these all are what? Two dimension. Like we can say this is length, and here we can consider it is breadth, and here we can considering this is length of this shape from here to here. This is length, and in this way we can say this is breadth of this shape. So this has only length and breadth, no height. Similarly here this is length and this is breadth. There is no height, no thickness. So those figures are called two-dimensional figures. Now, three-dimensional figure. The figures those have length, breadth as well as height or thickness is called three-dimensional figure, like cube, cuboid, sphere. Those all figures have length, width and height. Okay, all these things. Like I am taking this duster. So from here to here has length. A duster has length, and this is width. Okay, of this, and this part from here to here, this part from here to here, this is called height. So duster is a three-dimensional figure, length, width and its height. Okay, all those figures that have length, width and height is called three-dimensional figure. And these are the examples of three-dimensional figure: cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder and cone, etc. Now some important terms related to this shape are: first is side. We have already learned about the figure, and in figure what are sides, what are vertex and what are the surfaces of any shape. Okay, so first is side. Arm of any shape is called its side. In another way we can say the side meet two point or two vertex of a shape. Okay, that means something that join the vertex of a shape is called side. Like this is side of a duster. It doesn't matter it is length or breadth, but this is joining this point from this point. So this is the side of this duster. Next is vertex. The point where two points join together is called vertex. In any shape, at any point where two sides are where two sides join together. Okay, at any point where two sides of any shapes join together, that is called vertex. Like here, this is called vertex because this side and this side are joining here. This is also vertex because this side and this side joining here. So these are the vertex of this. There are another vertex like this and this, also vertex of the shape. Next is surface. Outside part of any shape or figure is called surface. That means any plane of any shape that is showing outside is called sphere. Like this is surface, okay, of this duster. This is outer part, this is also outer part, this is also outer part. All are the outer part of any shape. This is called surface. We are not defining its inner part. Okay, now look at this cuboid. What is side? Where two vertices are joining. That means this is side because it is joining two vertices. Okay, this is side. And what is vertex? Vertex is where two sides are joining. This side and this side is joining here. So this is vertex. Like I am also have written vertex here because this line and this line is joining here. And all these lines are called side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, those all are the sides. And now what is surface? I am already explained you that surface is just outer plane, outside part of any shape. That means in any shape, outer part is called surface. Like here, if we are seeing any shape from front, this is surface. If we are seeing any shape from side, so this is also surface. If we are seeing any shape from top, so this will be surface. That means any outer part of any shape is called surface. Like this duster, how many surfaces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are total 6 surface. Okay, any shape can have many surfaces. Okay, thank you.